Welcome to all dear students. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am Varun Chandra Sarkar, Assistant Teacher English, Government Jazira Mohar Ali Model High School, Jazira Shariatpur, Class 10, Subject English Second Paper. I have already talked about right forms of verb part 1 and part 2. Today's topic is right forms of verb part 3. Learning outcomes. After the end of the lesson, the student will be able to write the sentence correctly, fill the gaps with right forms of verb, identify the subject and verb agreement. Dear student, let's go another slides. No sooner had ... than, scarcely had ... when, hardly had ... before / when. Structure number 1. No sooner had subject plus V3 plus object plus extension than plus subject plus V2 plus object plus extension. Second structure, scarcely had plus subject plus V3 plus object plus extension plus when plus subject plus V2 plus object plus extension. Structure third, hardly had plus subject plus V3 plus object plus extension plus before / when subject plus V2 object plus extension. Example, no sooner had the bell rung than the teacher entered the classroom. Second example, scarcely had he arrived at the bus stand when the bus left. Third example, hardly had he seen the accident when he became senseless. Hardly had I finished writing before the teacher ordered to stop writing. Dear student, feel, laugh, hear, like, hate, see, forget, consist, seem, sound, smell, behave, know, wish, doubt, prefer, imagine, fear, taste, astonished, please, understand. They are used present indefinite tense, not in continuous tense. I forget everything, present indefinite tense. I see a bird, present indefinite tense. I hear news, present indefinite tense. Let's go another slides. Arithmetical operations will be singular verb. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 divided 2 equal to 5. Dear student, let's go another slide. If two clauses are added by lest, the auxiliary verb should might is added with the next subject of lest. Read attentively lest you fail in the exam. Read attentively lest you should fail in the exam. Work fast lest you be late in your class. Work fast lest you might be late in your class. Dear student, with, together with, as well as, along with, in addition to, accompanied by, including, excluding, and not. /no. Follow the first subject. Shimul as well as her sister was present. Next sentence, the headmaster along with the student has planted saplings. Headmaster subject. Shuman and not his brothers has gone to market. Mr. Rahman, accompanied by his children, has attended the party. Dear student, do you understand? Next slides, not only but also, either, nor, neither, nor, etc. If two sentences are added, the verb will be placed according to the second subject. Not only I but also you are. Not only I but also you are going there. Either he nor you are present. Neither my sister nor my brothers have come. ভার্ব সবসময় সেকেন্ড সাবজেক্টকে অনুসরণ করছে। Let's go another slides. While plus subject, while plus verb plus ing plus another clause, past indefinite tense. While plus subject was where plus ing plus another clause, past indefinite. While it rice, Rohim knocked at the door. While eating rice, Rohim knocked at the door. While I read a book, Ripon watched television. While I was reading a book, Ripon watched television. Dear student, let's go another slides. If the sentence start with every, is, everyone, everybody, everything, nobody, no one, none, nothing, somebody, someone, something, etc., the sentence will take singular verb. Everybody loves flowers. Nothing is impossible. Nothing, singular, subject. Somebody has done this. Nobody loves a dishonest man. Something is better than nothing. Let's go another slide, dear students. Complete the following text with right forms of the verbs given in the box. Our annual prize giving ceremony came off yesterday. We decorated college campus very nicely. The ceremony began at 2 p.m. Our principal presided over the function and the education minister was the chief guest. The function started with the recitation from the Holy Quran. One of our senior teachers read out the annual report. The honorable chief guest delivered a brief encouraging speech, advising us to regular in studies and taking part in the movement against illiteracy. Dear student, তোমরা आंसर মিলাই নিতে পারো। Homework. While he ate rice, his friend came here. Rana as well as Shumon go to market. Nobody be present there. Neither the chairman nor the members be present in the meeting. He phoned me lest he should miss the information. Thanks to all dear students.